Once in a while, plant breeders perform miracles, or I think they're miracles anyway, because they take an item that we might have known and loved in a particular form and they transition it into something completely different and new. And that's exactly what's happened with this particular azalea. Now, Azalea Starstyle is called that, and I think when you look at the flowers, you'll understand why, because the flowers are just incredible. They've got this lovely star shape to them, and you've got many, many, many petals. So with azaleas generally, you get a number of big flowers that often are big and blousy and very attractive, but they're quite kind of vulnerable to weather, particularly wet weather or windy and wet weather, and they can go quite quickly. So this particular style has a flower format that's much more weather tolerant, so it will last in the springtime. Generally April, May and early June is when azaleas will flower, but this will tolerate those April showers far, far better than virtually any other azalea. Now, like all azaleas, these are evergreen, so they keep their foliage all the way through the year. So you've always got that beautiful plant that's going to look great through. It's got a need to be in ericaceous compost, so that's slightly acidic. So rhododendrons, azaleas, magnolias, and one or two other things like ericaceous compost. So if you're going to grow these in the soil, do a pH test, which is to check the acidity of the soil in your garden, just to make sure it's acidic, because that's what these will love. And if not, don't worry, grow them in a pot in ericaceous compost. So you can still enjoy the beautiful flowers and the evergreen foliage and the fantastic impact these will make, perhaps on your patio in a pot, just because you haven't got that acidic soil in your garden. Now, hardiness. These are hardy to around about -10. So the winter we've just had, now we touched those sorts of levels in some parts of the UK, but generally speaking, we don't get that temperature very often. Now, if you do live in an exposed site where you get lower temperatures, or we get an excessively cold winter, fleece them or pop them indoors, and that's even easier when you do grow them in pots on your patio. So if you want one of the latest and best and most interesting azaleas that's ever been around, in my opinion, this could be the perfect variety for you. Azalea Starstyle is definitely going on my patio this year.